app startup is a great idea. What the app can offer, and is the app needful? Will it hit the market, are some of the questions that come to every entrepreneur's mind. Blockchain tax or invoicing app can be developed using various blockchain frameworks like smart contract, Ethereum, and Hyperledger. Restaurant reservation app with AI helps to choose better dining places and also make it more personalized. Local food delivery app will be used to find a cheap and best food delivery service. Health inspector apps will notify the user when there is a need for a health checkup. Truckloader with geo-tracking app will provide information about vehicles that are available to take goods.